I just got up and today I've decided to show you all what I eat in a day. And the first thing, which is not really eating, but the first thing that I do each day is oil pulling. So I have my coconut oil here. I'll take a spoonful of that. I use organic virgin coconut oil, and I just take a regular spoon and take a little bit. Oil pulling is where you swish oil around in your mouth, and some people say you should do it for 20 minutes. I do it just as long as I can. Sometimes it's just 5 minutes. Anyway, when I do this, I often go check on my social media. I check on Facebook and Instagram and stuff like that. So I'll see you in a little bit. Just a quick note. It's important to spit out your oil when you're done oil pulling and to spit it out in the trash, as it will clog drains. So after I oil pull, I have a full glass of water. I will often add lemon vitality to this water, like 1 or 2 drops. And I chug it down. So if I'm still thirsty, I drink a second glass, or at least half a glass. And then I have breakfast, usually about an hour after I wake up, unless if I sleep in, and then it's sooner. So breakfast this morning is my apple oatmeal. I have a recipe that I'll link below. And yeah, I'll show you when I'm all dished up. I'm thinking of adding some dried cranberries in this time though. Okay, here's my breakfast. I dished up the apple oatmeal. I did put some cranberries in there, and I sprinkled a little bit of coconut flakes unsweetened on top. I also take my supplements at breakfast time because we're always home for breakfast. Well, lately we've been home for all meals, but anyway, always consistently home for breakfast, and it's easy for me to remember. Let me know if you want to know what I take. I just got back from grocery shopping, and I had a couple of samples at Sam's Club. They're just a little Asian salad and a little bite of cornbread. And I'm on my 4th glass of water for the day. It's right before lunch. Okay, here's my lunch. I made grilled cheese. I will eat a whole sandwich. I might share a little portion with the baby. And then I'm going to eat all these cucumbers with hummus. Plus, I'll probably have seconds on cucumbers. And I have half a can of tomato soup. This is the tomato soup. I got this organic tomato basil bisque at the discount grocers for just 50 cents. So I really like it. I will definitely buy more when I head back, if they still have it. Hello, it's around 4 o'clock and I just had a snack. I had one of these Lara bars. We went shopping and I found this at King Soopers for just 49 cents. It was on clearance for some reason. I guess because it's a limited edition, but I don't quite understand why. Maybe it wasn't selling. I don't know. Because anyway, it's just barely November. So this was really good. I really like Lara bars. So anyway, if you don't know about them, they are just nuts and dates and seasonings. They don't have any added stuff. Like, it's all real food ingredients. So yeah, it's very tasty. I'm gonna get ready to cook dinner. I'm making sloppy joes and sweet potatoes for dinner. For dinner, I was pretty hungry. I had 2 sloppy joe buns with sauerkraut. I had a side of sweet potatoes and cucumbers as well. Hello, it's about an hour and a half past dinner, and I'm going to have a snack. Sometimes I have a snack as late as like 8:30, but it's just a little past 7. And so it's kind of early for me to have a snack. But anyway, I got this Chobani Flip yogurt for free at the grocery store. It was a coupon. It's a mint chocolate chip. Anyway, I figured I'd try one of these. I know a lot of people really like these. Usually I will eat something a little bit healthier. Lately I've been eating apples with peanut butter in the evening, or some nuts, you know, some healthy snacks. So this is kind of like a treat. I know.
Man, that was really tasty. Look how I cleaned that out. Anyway, I'm going to drink some of this because it was really good and minty, and now I just want to eat more sugar. So anyway, I'm going to have some kombucha. I've noticed that sometimes this helps my sugar craving in the evening because it just has kind of a natural sweetness, but there's no sugar added. I mean, like, it was fermented. So there's no sugar added after fermentation. So I don't drink the whole bottle. Some of this I drank earlier today, I think, or yesterday. So I'm probably going to just drink down and leave a little bit and put the rest in the fridge for later. Anyway, so good night.
Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. Comment below if you'd like to see more what I eat in a day videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.